Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel today. I've got my Jane Davenport stickers covering my name, but this is Tonic Craft Kit number 14. I have just received it in the post and I'm about ready to open it. Alright, so they give you this list of things and then your surprise gift, which it looks like for me is a big winner because it says 3 paintbrushes. So what do you give to an artist? I love these. I have some big versions of these. This is ebony black, so that's nice for this time of year, right? And these are the Nuvo crystal drops. Embellishment mousse. Okay, these little pots are really nice if you want to try out their product, but really you get a lot out of here, so don't be deterred by the sizes. It's a great product. Hybrid ink. It says fast drying all surface ink. Well, that's good. In a metro gray. Signature calligraphy pen. Oh, that'll be fun. With looks like a refillable brush-topped jet black pen. Glacier white. So that is a little embossing powder, and I love these little pots. You can keep these when you're done and put like little sequins in here and gift them. Dimensional foam pads, craft perfect, and you get 96 squares. That's fun. Look out for other colors in the watercolor pencil range. So these are from Nuvo watercolor pencils. That'll be fun to try. And this is the collection Spring Flowers. So I don't know if one's there. So they have the nice top so you can see clearly what color it is. Imperial Jade. My eyes. The caramel popcorn. And Spring Daffodil. And we'll have to test those out on our card and then keep them in their little box here. Sharpened and ready to go. That's fun. So you can either color them normally, like with color pencil, or you can activate them with water. And I think, let's see, they've given me a binder, which is good. I think every now and then you get a binder because I started a few kits ago and I don't have a binder yet, so you can put these inside here. So we've got mirror card in pink chiffon, black, they're craft perfect black velvet, no, black, jet black texture, weave texture card. So on one side there's a weave, on the other side it's a little bit smoother. The green is avocado green weave texture card. That's white. Let's see, the chocolate brown weave texture card. Blue, denim blue texture card. So quite an array of cards. This must be what they're calling oyster gray. You get a window sheet here. It's got a film covering it so you can't print it up. So this is the construction acetate. Black velvet mirror card, but it's like a satiny finish. It's beautiful texture paper. This is called Bronze Labyrinth specialty card. So it's got all these little swirls and get these folders and we get the little sticker in there. Craft kit this is here, 14. And how many stamps and dies I get in there. So it tells you on the piece of paper that you get. So you get 11 stamps and dies you get 20. Looks like we've got some introducing the pet window frame kit, and it shows you on the back how you can paper piece these things together for the dog, the cat, and then the others. And of course you can use these elements in other ways as well. You can make a fun little mustache card out of here, or a little monster just using this head. You can draw on some feet and little antennae. So lots of things you can do with this if you're not a pet person. We do have cats, but of course you could do Easter Bunny type of thing. You could do fun things with the fish and the cat. But you could certainly use these things for other elements as well. And these are just suggestions of how it looks like put together. Which has this fun brick pattern, has their little sort of accessories, their food bowl, fish bones. Those are cute. You could make a pattern all over with fish bones. I think fish bones are cute. Little paw prints, and of course you've got this border stamp here with paw prints. 20 of those, and they always come on these nice acetate sheets with the nice foam sticky, which is a lot less messy than other companies. So you get this beautiful window set that comes off in pieces. And if that's the flower pot, I haven't studied this yet, obviously. Let me put something in behind that so you can see that a little bit better. The fish in the fish bowl. I don't know if that side of the window. Got it upside down. So the inside of the window there, you've got all the little accessories, the bow, and all the little things to paper piece. And that's nice they have it on these so you don't feel like it's all 50 little mini dies. You can make chocolate bunny, the cat, and the bird house. So lots of great stuff to use here, guys, and we're going to go ahead and make a project. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and make a card with our kit. I have a lot of things already cut out. I have a sentiment done with the embossing powder. You get some white embossing powder in the kit, so you're perfect, and that's going to go on later. We're also going to use our copper embellishment mousse and our drops here to finish it off. But first, we have a card base, and this is cut to 11 by 6. And then I have a layering piece in here that I'm going to go ahead and get that down. So we just want that piece inside, and it'll give us lots of nice space to write. To go ahead and make this, we have a Balinese cat, so I'm going to make him into a Balinese cat. I have a Tombow marker here. I'm using number 879, and I cut it out of that cardstock that comes in the kit. I'm going to go ahead and do the drops now. There are little indents where the die cuts them out. Okay, so my battery is charged and I am back. So I finished off my little cat. It looks like our little Balinese. So of course you can make the cat look like whatever kind of cat you want. So we'll put her aside there for a minute. I did glue down, so we've got our panel here. I glued down the blue panel. What do I have here? Walnut stain and chipped sapphire. And these bricks are nice because you can kind of fit them in here and there. So we're kind of, this is on the rough side, so see, they can kind of fit like that. They're meant to make like a pattern. Smoother side to this, which I probably should have stamped on, but the fact that we're doing a brick wall means we're distressing it a little, so it's fine. And then I'm going to come in with my tool here and just kind of give it some aging. And I'm going to do a little aging to this blue. Like that. Then we've got this strip here, so let's go ahead. Should distress that while I had that out. This is the little ledge. Alright, so now we have this that comes in your kit, this embellishment mousse, and you can paint this on different things. You can use your finger, and it comes with this foil, so I just open it and leave the foil on there so that when I store it, it doesn't dry out as quickly. Here and there. You can also, if you want to put that right on here and give it a little squirt. It'll be a little more movable for you. Just kind of adding it here and there. If this works better for you, you can use your finger. Yeah, I'm going to do that to make the stars. Just kind of randomly. Oh, little banner there. Let's go ahead and take some of our leftover ink and kind of give that a little zhuzh there. This is a little different for me. I don't normally do animals, and I don't normally do these colors per se. I do brown things, but I don't normally do blue and brown. So this is a great card for kids' parties, a great card for guys, girls, grandparents, whatever. Alright, so let's go ahead and put that right here. I'm not going to press down really hard yet because I'm like totally not quite committed. Just some sewing thread, and I'm just going to kind of wrap it around a couple of my fingers, and I'm going to remove this. It's a nice thing about this foam, it does come off pretty easily. And my little messy thread circle, I guess in lieu of the ribbon idea there. Just to give a little more texture. And then we can come along with some other Nuvo drops. Alright, just some random little stars. I just want those to a little too Hershey kissy. I don't know if my bottle's just old or what. But anyways, you get the idea. So a fun little, I'm going to be careful because I don't want to squash those anymore. Fun little card, especially if you have a Balinese kitty that says "You're perfect." You know, if you can catch the light there with that embossing powder. So you can put that through a stencil, you can paint it on and so forth like that. Lots of room to write a card. A nice little card to give to just about anybody. And it has our little cat Kora on there. Alright guys, hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for watching me. I hope this gives you some ideas to use your Tonic craft kit. See you later.